And the special jury citation goes to Vice Ganda!
To present the award is Dr. Rowena Reyes.
Magandang gabi ho ulit. Maraming salamat. Pagtayo ko, tinatanong ko si Direk Jun at saka si Uge, ano ba tong award na to? Special jury citation for what? For best dressed of the night? Special jury citation for best performance? Ganun ba yon? Ah, okay. So, salamat po. Seriously, hindi ko talaga alam. Tagtatanga-tangahan ako. Ayoko naman magpasalamat, hindi ko alam, naiintindihan yung award. Pero,
Ito na po, babasahin.
yun i-explain pa lang, baka sa best hairstyle, best outfit.
Ito na po, ito na po.
The jury of the 50th MMFF awards a special citation to a performer who has broken the ground and gone out of the familiar and comfort zone to prove his growth as an artist and tackle issues relevant to the contemporary society. The MMFF jury honors Vice Ganda for his achievement in this year's festival.
Thank you very much! Oh my God! I have long been waiting for this. At last, finally, I am seen. Hindi joke yun. Hindi. Maraming salamat po sa pagkilala na yun. Thank you very much. Yeah, thank you so much. Tonight, I am seen. My God, nahabaan ko na kasi baka itong award na ito, ibig sabihin hindi ako magbe-best actor. Baka ito yung award sa mga first runner-up. Yung baka sayang naman yung outfit at saka sikat naman siya, paakyatin na natin siya for star value of the moment.